Zoho Books provides detailed sales reports, for example, sales by customer, sales by item, under the Reports module. Exporting is straightforward and supports PDF, Excel, or CSV formats. Steps: log in, go to books.zoho.com, sign in with your credentials. Zoho.com, sign in with your credentials. Access reports, click reports, left sidebar. Under sales, select a report, for example, sales by customer for invoice totals by client. Customize, optional. Click Customize Report, top. Set filters like date range, customer, or salesperson. Click Run Report. Download. In the report view, click Export As, top right. Choose Format, PDF, for printable summaries. Excel, CSV, for data analysis, includes columns like name, invoice count, sales amount. Select date range if needed. Download.